There we go. There's another dog.
Community Feast has become a really important Appalachian tradition. And so this is the 5th year of Community Feast, and we're glad you're here.
So AppalFRESH started many years ago as we just realized there were so many faculty on our campus that were all working in this space of sustainable food from a wide range of perspectives. It's now become an Appalachian tradition, which we are super excited about. This is the 5th year, only the 4th year in person. So the first 3 years we set a 100-yard long table down the middle of Sanford Mall and gathered for a communal meal where we emphasize talking about the importance of a sustainable food system.
One of the most important things to do at Community Feast is to talk. FEaST stands for Food Engagement and Storytelling. So it's all about talking to each other about the importance of an equitable, sustainable food system.
So we originally established 3 goals for the event, and that was encouraging conversation around the importance of an equitable, sustainable food system. The second was maximizing the use of local ingredients, and the third was minimizing waste. Last year, in the wake of the pandemic, we decided to add a 4th goal, which was encouraging strategies to try to minimize food insecurity. And we've carried that goal forward because we definitely see an increase in those concerns of our students.
Sustainable local food system is really equivalent to community resilience. If you don't have a sustainable local food system, it's difficult to make sure that everyone in the community is able to achieve their and overcome any barriers to access to food.
Local sustainable food system to me, being in a health department means that people have access to local foods that are really healthy, so they can access those at any time that they want to. It doesn't matter location, or doesn't necessarily matter if they're rural or urban, but also that those foods can be sustainable for them and that they can access them for many years to come.
I think a local food system is really critical. I'm a physicist, so from my perspective, I study the flows of energy. And so when you have a robust local food system, the transportation, energy is diminished, and you get to know your community better. These are vibrant interaction spaces as well.
To me, a lot of what that means is people in a community learning how to produce food for themselves, and then everybody in that community sharing food, working together, eating locally, and a lot of focus, more of a focus on eating good food.
A system, a way of feeding people that can be supported by the community it's in, that can be supported by the people around it.
Support our farmers, which help us building the community, and buying locally help us with keeping our planet healthy, because the food has to travel less and has a smaller carbon footprint.
I come from a public health background, and when we look at issues like food issues, we always look at it from the lens of sustainability as it pertains to environmental protection, economic and social equity, those types of things. So I'm really interested in trying to solve our food security crisis, food access crisis. So any chance I get to be involved with events like this, I really get excited, and I love to see students excited.
I think that knowing who grows your food and supporting local farmers makes you feel connected to the community.
Another part of a sustainable food system to me is the food security piece, which is really important to me, and so I think any sustainable food system needs to have security as one of its key features. it's a fantastic kind of personal way for people to understand how complex and interlinked a lot of our sustainability challenges are as a society, because food is personal and touches us. We're interlinked in all kinds of ways, like climate, water, but food is kind of emotional and personal and really relational.
So it feels really great to be here together. We look forward to the 6th year where hopefully we can reset the 100-yard long table. That is definitely our goal, but it feels great to be working with this fabulous group.
Sustainable living is a very big deal. Yeah! That's right!